Hello and welcome to North-South University's one-year Executive Master's Program in Policy and Governance. This program is designed for fresh graduates, bureaucrats, diplomats, public, private and NGO professionals, and basically anyone who wants to deepen their understanding of public policy and grow in their career.
Currently, I'm working in the High Commission of Canada as the Senior Political and Economic Advisor. The kind of faculty members, the experience that they actually bring in is actually really commendable. It's just out of this world. And North-South University itself is a very highly regarded university in the context of Bangladesh.
In this course, I am enjoying it very much because the curriculum design is very well crafted and I'm learning a lot of new things through discussions.
We are proud to have a pool of renowned faculty members and practitioners who are leaders in their field.
I'm here as a senior fellow, carrying out kind of research work and also associated with this IPG other activities. Here for last almost 2 years.
We get very high trained, all of them are very highly trained nationally and internationally. And we have a blending of those who even served in the government, those who have served exclusively in the academia, and that blending is there. We bring in professional speakers from outside with tons of experience.
I joined here to share my own experience of policy making with the students, give them new ideas and also in the process learn from them.
We are confident that our EMPG program will prepare you to meet the demands of the complex world today, and we wholeheartedly welcome you to the community.